to my channel. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be doing a video on how to make celery juice. Celery is loaded with essential minerals and nutrients. I drink it first thing right in the morning. It is part of my daily routine. So let's get into the video. So good. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell and you will get notified every time I upload. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and check out both of my thrift stores. Don't forget to make some celery juice and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.